Hello everyone, welcome here. Myself Shekhar Metla, I'm the software industry expert from past 2 decades. This course, Microsoft Power BI, is created adding this experience for stunning like a business professionals and Power BI where the beginners who wants to enter inside the data analysis, data analyst or data visualization area to making a great reports. So Microsoft Power BI is a complete reporting solution that offers data preparation, data visualization, distribution and management through the development tools and online platform. So Power BI scale a simple reports to creating using multiple data sources to create a stunning reports with the complex data to making a simplifying and creating great visualization using this Power BI tool. Getting started. Introduction to this course of welcome here for online tutorial to speed up and slow down videos to complete the program. From the lecture begin section onwards, you have to continue section 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. You have to go through the sessions where you will really learn real world concepts how to simply you can apply. Learn at any time from anywhere using internet connected mobile or computer system to make sure to apply practical environment of each and every session by taking the notes. How to get help? Check your knowledge using documents. For quick instance, Google or Stack Overflow search engine techniques to apply. Submit your questions on asking QA forum for detail what you have tried with the error code or screenshot shared and practiced by you. How to approach the course? This is a very important. The best way to approach the course is to review videos with your practical hands-on sessions. Follow the video guide with extra notebook information for practice. Yes, every practical sessions in your IT industry or software programs will help you greatly to understand a deep understanding of learning skills. So always try to add practical skills in your way. Review certain information by reading examples. More customized data you can add it. And what the video session is explained you to follow and apply easily. Thanking you.